Hi, my name is Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers and the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group. And today we're going to do a flip through of the Page by Page Project 2 book. And as you can see, it's very fat. And I do not know when or if I'm ever going to put a cover on it. So right now I have it tied with this sari silk. I will mention that we used, we for the first 15 pages. And then after that, it was just me that carried on, or actually the first 12 pages. I do have a PDF available in the Facebook group, Sweet Pea Papers, but it's only from 15 through 28. When I did the first part, when it was the MPKS project, I did not make a PDF because I did not write out step-by-step tutorials. Okay, so I'm not going to be able to tell you what the prompts were for every page because, as you can see, the list is by alphabetical in order of the prompts and not in order by the date that it was done. Okay, so let's untie this. I do know that I believe this first page was stencil, and I stenciled modeling paste, and then I colored it with watercolor pencils, and then I used a little bit of water on a paintbrush to kind of smooth it out. Okay, then on this page I took this image that I designed this page on the computer. Then I took this image and printed it twice and kind of offset it a little bit so it looks like there's a shadow. All right, this page is not the steampunk, but I believe the grunge page. And the clock is losing all of its gears, and then it's also lost its pendulum, and the pendulum is hanging on a bulb pin on the side of the page. On this page was Halloween, and I did two doilies and this poem. It may have been black and white. I'm not sure. This page is a floating pocket or a floating card, one of the two. Anyway, it's on there. And yeah, it's a floating card because the whole card is attached to the little flip with this paper flip with this decorative ribbon on it. This page was staples. I remember that. And this big number 25 is stapled on here. There's staples across here. There's staples down around the whole thing. There's staples across the middle. And each one of these is stapled on as well. This one, I don't remember what it was. It might have been a flip out. And it might have been Christmas. I'm not sure. So it's got a Dear Santa. And then you open it up. And there's this really cute Santa page. Then there's Santa cut out fussy cut. And then you open it again. And there's a place for you to write. And I stenciled that. And on this page, it might have been tickets. It might have been pocket. Anyway, there's a tag or a tuck pocket here made out of a tag with a little bee pendant and or charm, I mean. And then there's a little piece of ephemera here. There's another one here. This is a large tuck, and there's a large writing card here. Or no, it's an envelope. And then there's a big card here. There's a card inside the envelope as well. This page was Brad's, and I added the butterfly, and I added these hands held on by Brad's, and the hands are grabbing the page. So you just open them like this, and then it opens like this. And I don't think it opens again, no. So put this little grabby hands back on. And this page, I think was Collage or Spring. I don't remember what, but I think it was Collage. So there's a collage. This page I made an belly band with a acetone window in it, and you can see the Christmas image. And then when you take it out, you can see the little gnome on his Christmas chair, and there's a little angel up there. And this is an envelope, and it has a card inside. It has actually 2 or 3 postcards inside. So then you turn and you get to this page, and this was mushrooms, and I used stickers, and this comes off. It's a notepad, and then there's a belly band there. There's a tag inside the notepad, and a little butterfly sticker. This was the steampunk page, and I just did a collage that I thought was steampunk, and there's the little gear sticks off the edge. This is the center spread. I don't remember what the prompts were, but since it's a center spread, I used the same image kit on both sides. And this beautiful card, I just love it. I don't know why I take cards out and flip throughs. They never go back in their pockets. Oh, that one went back. And then there's another little card here with this beautiful owl on it. On this side is a floating pocket with a rabbit and a deer. Then when you remove it, I'm not going to remove it, but when you remove it, thought there was a pocket on the back. Then you see this beautiful winter image, and there's a ribbon on the top of this. Then you change, and this was CD cover. So the CD cover opens. There's a ticket, a little trifold ticket on the inside, which is really cute. Wizard of Oz. These are the poppies from the Wizard of Oz. And these are all tags and items from a Wizard of Oz kit that I had. This is the balloon. Takes her home. This is some coffee dyed paper, and I sprayed it with my combination, what do you call it? Metallic acrylic paint and alcohol. Okay, and the CD cover, and of course you pull this little ribbon and the card comes out. I don't know why I didn't put an image in the back, but I did. Okay, this page is paper clipped because it has quite a bit going on. There's a charm of a key right here. You undo the paper clip, and this opens up. So it goes way up like that. And then this opens out. There's a belly band with a card. There's a tuck here. And there's a tuck here. And I added this pencil in. It's ephemera. And then down here, this card is in a tuck. In fact, is this? Oh no, it's a printed envelope. Okay. I had fun doing this page. And there's, of course, a piece of lace on the paper clip. I have magnets on here, but yeah. Sometimes you get a little too thick for magnets. Then on this page was the, I know it's not document closure, but it's something else. Anyway, you open it up. Starts with a P, I know that. And then this beautiful fairy. I love this image so much. And then a policy. Then you open this up and you open that down, and then there's a card in the center, or is it an envelope? No, it's a writing card. Do this back. Sometimes these are a little tough to get them to close. Don't seem to want to close when you want them to. Okay. Then this was the shabby chic page. This card comes off. It's held on by a row of repositional tape. This was the ticket page. These tickets are tucked in here. This is a tuck all along here with all these tags tucked in. This is a pocket on the bottom with these tickets in it. And then this is a side tuck with this ticket in it. So I used a lot of tickets on the ticket page. On this page, these flip up. Each one is held with repositional tape. And when you flip them all up, it comes out and it completely opens up. It's hard to tell. It completely opens up. And then on the back side, it's all writing paper. It's decorated, though. It's not just white paper. Let's see if I can get it to close back up. There we go. This book is just craziness. And then on this page was a belly band, and this is a bee house, and the butterflies all have glossy accents on them. And this holds in a really pretty envelope with the glossy accents on the butterfly. And inside the envelope's writing cards. Whenever I say envelope, they always open and have writing cards in them. This was my take on using these pockets in a different way. And you take the postcard out, and there's a collage on the back side. And I wrote something on there. I wrote the address was John Smith, 1234556 Main Street. This page was, I believe, a tuck, or it might have been CD. Anyway, these are CD covers. It's cut in half with this beautiful writing card. It's black on the back, so you can write with a white pen. Then each one of these are cards that come out that, of course, don't want to come out right now. Because we're doing a flip through. There we go. So each one comes out, and then I put black on the inside. This one opens this way. There's a magnet. There's a little writing card in here. This is a giant writing card. Then you open this one, and it opens up. And then there's another giant writing card here. There's a pocket with a tag on it here. Oops, get in there. Never take the tags out of the pockets. I love this page. Then here is our door page. It's held shut with magnets. And inside there are pockets. Now this is not white. I don't know if it looks white on camera or not, but it's cream colored with little speckles in it, and it came with the kit. And this opens, there's another tuck here. There's a pocket here with these two pieces of ephemera. It's hard to get them out because the book is so curved. And then a large writing card. Oops, wrong way. There goes our magnet. This is our shabby chic belly band, and it's got a acetone window in it. And then you pull this out, and it's a bookmark or a long writing card. And then underneath the belly band, oops, that goes inside. There's an image there. This goes inside the belly band. And then underneath the belly band is another large writing card. Get back in there. You're on camera. Get in there. And then the very last page that I just did today is another policy holder. But I did this one on purpose, even though I know that it was a repeat of the page. The prompt was Brad. Because I wanted somewhere to be able to keep papers that are related to, that's why it's just a pocket with nothing in it. But I want to put papers in there and write about the book and the experience I had making this book. and making videos for 28 weeks, and now it's over, and I'm very sad about that. And I wish I could have been more exciting in my voice, but I'm really having trouble doing the flip through. But there she is, page by page project 2. And I hope you enjoyed the flip through and of this giant book. All the flips and the flaps and the folds and everything have made it a giant book. Like I said, I'm not going to cover it. I'm just going to retie it with this ribbon. And like I said, I hope you enjoyed the flip through. And I want you to have a great day. And I'll see you in the next video's tutorial series. And that'll be just a second for you and a day for me. Okay, bye-bye.